Hello, guys. This is Mr. Aguilar again. Hope you guys are having a good day. Today, we're going to be talking about orders of operations. So go ahead and take out your notes and be ready. The way that we do order of operations, you guys have talked about this before in eighth grade. It's a process in which we solve mathematical problems with multiple steps in the correct order. You guys have seen a lot of this, and it's a way that if we're given a lot of numbers with addition, subtraction, multiplication, exponents, that we know what process needs to get done in order to get the right number. The mnemonic device that we use a lot is PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, which represents parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. One thing that we want to be able to see here is that whenever we do the mnemonic device, we do parentheses first, exponent second, multiply or divide, so whatever comes first, third, and then add and subtract, either or comes last. And that's kind of important that you take that in the order. Whenever doing a parentheses, you want to look at the parentheses first and start the PEMDAS again. Excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So that's when you get parentheses within a parentheses within a parentheses. We always want to look in the most inner portion of it first. Okay. We have simple problems here to begin with, moving up to more complicated. The first thing that I'm going to get here is for number one, I'm looking at my parentheses is what my first thing I want to do. So I'm going to use my PEMDAS, which is parentheses. So I'm going to get 6 divided by 3. And we do the orders of operations again, parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. And we're going to get our division, which 6 divided by 3 is 2. That would be our answer. The next one that we want to look at is this bottom one. Sorry. The bottom one. And what we want to be able to do here is see that we got to be able to do the parentheses again, take shape. We're going to go ahead and do this, parentheses first. We want to do whatever's in the parentheses first. In this case, 10 minus 5 is 5. And I'm going to go ahead and rewrite everything again. Okay. Parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide comes second, which is our division is here. 20 divided by 5 is 4. You can keep that negative out there. And then negative 4 minus 4. We want to subtract out a negative, so we're going to keep, change, flip. So adding up two negatives will give me negative 8. Okay, there you go. That's our next one. For number three, we're going to go ahead and solve this out just as we did before. Using PEMDAS, parentheses are always important. So we got to do whatever's in there first. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. I'm going to get 1 squared minus 24 divided by negative 3. And then I want to continue going. Parentheses, none. Exponents, I have an exponent here. So we've got to be able to do that. 1, I'm going to rewrite everything, do orders of operations every single time you do a step. So parentheses done, exponents are done, multiply or divide. In this case, we have division here. 24 divided by 3, which is negative 8. I'm going to bring down that 1 minus 8. And then we want to do our last step, which is this, which would be keep, change, flip, which is subtraction, which I'm going to get is 9. Okay. A little bit more complicated, a little bit more intricate steps required, but nevertheless, as long as you follow order of operation, we should be fine. Doing the next one, we're going to get parentheses first, and this time we have a parentheses within a parentheses, which kind of makes it weird. So we're going to go ahead and do whatever's inside the parentheses first. Whenever you're getting parentheses just by number, it's by itself. We're good. We want to do everything what's in the next parentheses. So if I had to rewrite it, it'd be 24 divided by parentheses negative 8 plus, in this case, negative 4 squared, because we got to deal with that first. And I put a parentheses around it just so it separates itself. We got to be able to do the exponent, which is our next step within our parentheses. So I'm going to get 16. So 24 divided by -8 plus 16 plus 1. We got one more parentheses again. -8 and 16 will give me 8. I'm going to rewrite everything. 24 divided by 8 plus 1. Parentheses, done. Exponents, done. Multiply or divide. Here we go. Dividing both sides, not both sides, dividing 24 into 8, we're going to get 3 plus 1. And our last step is just to add them, which we're going to get 4. Okay. And there we go. Those are your 4 problems. We're going to look at more intricate problems a little bit later, but those are the ones that we're going to get at. Hope you guys have a good day. You guys take care, and bye-bye.